L-mobile is definitely a partner that we've been able to truly rely on. They've been very cooperative, and we would absolutely go on this journey with them again. In fact, I couldn't imagine ever going on this journey without L-mobile. My name is Ellen Wagner. I've been working as a manager at Wagner System GmbH for around 20 years. Wagner System GmbH, or the Wagner brand as we call it, manufactures, invents, and distributes sophisticated products and accessories for furniture. We start with injection molding production. That involves using pellets to make parts out of plastic, which are processed further. The parts then go to another location to plants 2 and 3.
Everything's handled here, from goods receipt to storage in the lift systems, the conventional warehouse, and the mobile racking system. After storage, we also handle everything from the picking process to goods issue. Problems like incorrect bookings, chaotic paperwork, incorrect picks, and stock discrepancies are all things you have to deal with when you don't have mobile warehousing.
So, we need digitalization to stay on the ball, do our work on time, and offer our employees modern workstations.
We introduced L-mobile Warehouse around 5 years ago. We started with goods receipt, warehouse management, order picking, and the inventory, and then, at the end of last year, we implemented an LIC L-mobile implementation concept. That involved introducing production data collection to simplify feedback, and we connected Kardex lifts. We use various printers. We have mobile printers that employees simply clip onto their clothing, so they can print goods receipt labels on the spot and label goods right away. After goods receipt, the goods then go to the conventional warehouse or the mobile racking system. Here we have automated processes and Proalpha with L-mobile support. This is for things like searching for free locations to store goods. The next step is provision. So again, we use the Proalpha system for our production orders. It generates a request for items on the bill of materials, and the L-mobile interface shows the intralogistics workers which workstation they should deliver them to. They then deliver the goods to the worker. The worker then has the production data collection system that shows them how many items to make and what to make. They then register the quantity. We mainly use the Kardex lifts to store our picking items for industry. By that I mean furniture gliders, as we have a lot of them in stock. In the past, employees would walk to a shelf, take whatever item they needed from the bill of materials, and then walk back to their workstation. Through L-mobile's solution in combination with the lift, you don't need to look for items because the lift delivers them directly to you. Employees have a mobile data collection device into which they enter the required item number. The lift delivers that item. The employee then takes the small load carrier from the lift and takes it to the area where the material will be processed further. I think it's very important to embrace digitalization at our company.
There's no question about it. It impacts everyone.
It helps us be more competitive and recruit new employees.
Digitalization is a tool, an instrument that we work with, which makes us fit for the future and also creates jobs for the future.
We actually had a very strict schedule. The warehouse project was completed within 6 months, from the creation of the specification until the launch. The same goes for the implementation concept, which we implemented within 9 months.
I would say that the LIC and warehouse were pretty darn quick. The best thing is we no longer have to search for items, so finding things quickly is the #1 benefit, I'd say.
There's also the benefit of being able to see at first glance whether we have any stock discrepancies.
It shortens routes, reduces the time our employees spend on tasks, and ultimately makes us more flexible and quicker.
We're pretty proud that we've been able to solve most of our issues with L-mobile's solution.
I think there are many approaches that we can continue to work on. one of which would require us to think in another direction with the CRM.
AGV, an automated guided vehicle system, or something like APS.
We've been thinking about it together, but we still have a few smaller projects in logistics which we'd like to implement over the next few months.
L-mobile's mobile data collection device is currently our main work tool. We couldn't live without it now.
I think partnerships are more important than ever before. Sometimes you need good contacts and good connections in every sense of the word. And then also the reliability that a partner demonstrates when it really matters. I think that over time we have learned from our experience with L-mobile that we can rely on each other, and that this kind of partnership works well and is worthwhile, as we have gotten so much out of it.